So we're going to be welding on our 10-10-32 weld on under axle mounts. The first step here is to get the bottom of the mount level with the ground. We're just going to use a level against the flat section. This is going to allow us to mark the axle where we're going to be welding. So the 4 legs of this thing that are going to be welded to the axle, we'll mark the tops of that and the bottoms, and then use a wire wheel and remove the paint from the axle so we have a good weld surface. With all the paint removed, we will then get a level back out and tack the mount to the axle. All of our welding is going to be done on the insides. So we're going to have 8 welds, 4 1-inch welds on each side. And this is going to stop it from wanting to pull. We're just going to do 1 inch and then go to the opposite side 1 inch. Keep doing that until you've had the whole thing welded up. We don't have to loosen the U-bolts or remove them or anything. So we're going to fill these in with some 70-18 stick and then get them painted up, and the install is complete.